Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you demo how ExpertClone AI works. ExpertClone AI isn't just another writing assistant. It's designed as a neural cloning system that replicates the brain patterns, writing style, and decision-making logic of over 100 leading marketers, entrepreneurs, and copywriters. The concept is simple. Instead of just generating text, it thinks like the experts who built multi-million-dollar brands. Whether you need a sales page, an email sequence, a set of social media posts, or even a complete marketing funnel, the tool aims to produce expert-level results at the click of a button.